Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to get kombucha in Bloxwich step by step. Start by visiting the market district and scanning vendor stalls for fermented tea icons. Approach vendors politely and check inventory when dialogue options appear. If a vendor is out of stock, wait a short in-game period or try a different vendor on the same street. Keep your inventory clear to receive the item without errors. Head to the market district and scan each stall visually for the fermented tea icon above vendor heads. Explore the East Alley after the in-game noon marker, as kombucha appears more often there. Don't forget to check cafe counters and specialty booths for rare variants that may only show intermittently. Move between stalls to reset spawns and use a short wait if vendors show empty inventories. If you're finding this helpful, please subscribe and like the video to support the channel and get more tips. Quick recommendation: the new Kindle Paperwhite is perfect for reading game guides and recipes anywhere, and it makes waiting for in-game spawns more enjoyable. Check the description for the link and other deals if you want one. Thanks for watching, and now let's get back to the video. Approach a vendor and choose the purchase option to buy kombucha directly when it is in stock. Some NPCs accept trades, so offer common items they request to barter for kombucha instead of using currency. Also look for small fetch quests from cafe owners and market managers that list kombucha as a reward. Combine these methods and rotate locations to steadily build a supply without wasting currency or time.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.